We're here today at the North Carolina Truck Driving Championship, competing against other countries to bring back some hardware. So we're out here fellowshipping, meeting new drivers, making reacquainted with other drivers that we've met along the years. So it's good to see everybody else out here. So we're here.
Entering the course in the sleeper division is Perry Carter with Cargo Transporters.
It's a really good chance to try to get gauge, put some of the skills to test that you hope for that round. But in the end, you're just here to have a good time and support your fellow
In the
drivers.
sleeper division,
Everybody's in good mood. Everybody's happy. A lot of people here. But I think I'm a lot of my favorite sport is basically different individuals, different companies. Well, I know, but and all about making friendships that'll last for years.
Yeah.
So if you like, even after my career's over.